ni Kiheo Kabiru Wikendi gacamo Kabiru hatire gaje kiriho ni madame gama ukoro tugihura thini wa matura matiganite tumenye ni mariko matinda makihanka ni tariki 48 naguo mweri ni wa kihujitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru nake mutwathiriri na njira shiko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gishuhi tukiambiriria President William Ruto ni ahingurite kigomano kia 19 kia mafuruthi guku Nairobi. President ugite Kenya ni hotete gukorwo ikinyaniria maundu matiganite mwenene wake Mudavadi akiugite Kenya ni hotete gwikirana ngirimiti ya wonjoria na mabũrũri mangĩ ta UK, USA, Ethiopia, China, Senegal gatagati ka mabũrũri mangĩ.
It is therefore a distinct honor for me to join you at this 19th Ambassadors Conference as you deliberate on how best to advance Kenya's interests in a rapidly evolving geopolitical landscape. I've had the opportunity to review your program for the next 4 days of this conference, and I am impressed by the breadth and depth. It reflects a comprehensive agenda that engages the full spectrum of our diplomatic priorities, from economic diplomacy and the realities of an emerging polycentric global order to peace and security, as well as climate diplomacy and green industrialization. It also covers science, technology, and innovation, global health diplomacy, and the oceans and blue economy, among other critical areas shaping our engagement with the world.
In today's evolving global landscape, the continent is in need of a leading voice for African agency. As our envoys, you are called to shape the direction and future of African diplomacy. We must amplify that our president is the champion of the African Union institutional reform and chair of COMESA. We must also highlight Kenya's leadership in promoting the intra-African trade and the African Continental Free Trade Area. This conference should inspire our individual and collective commitment to safeguarding our national interests and advancing Kenya's national agenda for peace-centered prosperity. Our supreme enterprise is to enhance the brand Kenya.
Tugithina mbere ni ati kurumirira gikuo kia mubunge wa Emuru wa Dikir akiria kiaumanire na mutino wa ndege mweri muhetuku kihitahitano ni kiambikitwo gwetha muhuraniri wa giturwa kiu David Ketera ni ahotete ahuraniri mugwanja no agakorokiriru kia federa ya kiama kia UDA tariki 14 mweri okite hari gwethana na giturwa kia mubunge mwena ucio.
David Kipsang Ketera 749 votes, and we pronounce him as the winner.
I want to thank the people of Emuru for conducting this election in a very peaceful way. I also want to thank the people of Emuru for their peaceful campaign. I want also to thank the people of Emuru for nominating me as a UDA nominee. I also want to thank the UDA party for conducting this by-election in a free, fair and credible way. Lastly, I really embrace the biometric system because they were very fast. The system when it was very fast, and the only problem we encountered was some of the IDs were unable to be captured very easily, and I would like to tell the UDA party to get us an alternative way when an ID is not captured, we should have an alternative way of capturing the votes.
I want to congratulate my friend here, Honorable Tola Langede. I was contesting with him, but congratulations, my friend.
Thank you so much.
You won.
I
will try next time.
Let me also say that this competition will actually mark the beginning of our democratic practices in this country. It will bring us together. The people of Emurwadekir will be one for once. And as we go forward, we are saying we are grateful for the peaceful election.
Na tukirioshigi ithurano icio a Kenya na amemba a kiama kia UDA nimeyumiritie gwikia kura cia gucagura atongoria kiama kiu maturaini mwena wa Kwisero na Rurambi kaunti ya Kakamega. Migwe yumiritie na gwikia kura makiuga maranyita itemi mihango-ini ino kumana na uria thirikari irehete ukuria kaunti ino ya Kakamega.
Na mimi ni mmoja ambao nimekuja hapa kupiga kura. Na nimeona process hii ilikuwa msafi sana kwa sababu tuna uaminifu ndani yake. Na tumesimama kwa sababu ya chama chetu ya UDA ambao tunaunga mkono watu wote wa Kwisero. Hata juice president alipokuja kutembea upande huu, tuliona kweli alileta maendeleo mengi katika sehemu yetu ya Kwisero. Kwa hivyo tumeunga mkono chama ya UDA na iko na grassroots ambayo iko na nguvu nyingi sana.
Kura leo ni kuchagua wale viongozi wa ile grassroots election kwa chama cha UDA. Hii imekuwa ngome ya ODM. Lakini sasa ukiangalia kuna ile kitu inaitwa generational change. Sasa lazima tubadilike. Nimekuwa mtu ODM, mimi mwenyewe nimekuwa ODM damu, lakini saa hizi kulingana na mabadiliko nimeanza kuona inabidi nimeingia UDA. Ndio maana nimeraukia hapa kupiga kura ndio nichague viongozi ambao wataniongoza katika hiyo chama.
Turn up is very good. Watu wamekuja wengi na wamechangamkia. Kila mtu anachagua yule mtu ambaye anataka kwa religious group, business group pamoja na special groups. Kuna pia professional groups, kila mtu anapewa chance ya kuchagua mtu wake. The machine ilianza kusumbua asubuhi kidogo, lakini ilianza kusumbua, ilianza and it is doing well. Ina respond vizuri. Those who are not being identified by the machine, they are being given their proper reference, and also we are also using the ID number to identify the voters.
Na kiama kia arutani a thekondarĩ KUPPET ni kirutĩte mukana kwĩyeherania na mubango wa SHA. Secretary General Akelo Misori akiugĩte mubango ũyũ ndũraruta wĩra na arutani matirahota kwamũkĩra motungata ma ũrigiti na njĩra njagĩrĩru. Rĩu nĩ morĩtie kamĩtĩ ya wandĩkani wa arutani TSC gũkorwo magĩikara thĩ na ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩguo makorwo makĩmethera kĩhonia.
So we don't think the leadership of SHA is portraying good leadership. They are trying to undermine the confidence that we already bestowed on them. Because just 3 weeks ago, when we met the Cabinet Secretary for Health, he did assure us that the SHA was going to work for us, and they were already putting in place even the contact lines for engagement, for feedback to be on, and that one now has ceased to work. We were also assured that there are now employees all over the counties, 380 of them, who are going to address the issue and the concerns of our members. This one is now not the case. Hospitals like Aga Khan still do not want to admit or to take teachers on outpatient treatment. So these are things which we don't want to be on coalition path with the SHA authority. But we are reminding them that we are going to be fed up soon, and therefore once we get fed up, then we shall only demand that we walk out of SHA.
Hau twakinya tuko tugikiria oro hanini tuyuke matukaini ni turacokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV Eumo Kiheotv. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihoteire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa Githima rucini thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Ukanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favor One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaingira kivirereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku, na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku. Ukanyitanira na Susan Wagoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikumbi ria Kigosho.
Hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio no mumenyera twenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya ku twaririo horo waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutuika ki ucokerere uria we wari.
Divorce re kido it is there, it is real, it is something real. No hindira andu matigana ri ni ukoraga ati kwina ongi wahwena nginya tangiruga nginya mutwe tondu akiugo tu gutigana.
Ciana no kinya cikama nondu mubango mwega wa kumenya baba wawe guikara atia. Likewise mutumia riria atigwo ni muthuri ni reke njuge mutumia wa ndigwa ni ahota guikara maundu na raini ni njega ukira muthuri.
Muthuri uyu ni arariha nyumba, muthuri uyu ni ararihira ciana school fees, tondu those are the basic need. Nduri handu ngiurira kuriha nyumba, nduri ngiurira kurihira ciana school fees na irio. Koguo twambe tuiganire kugura irio, rent na school fees. Maya magiriga kuhanyukia muthuri.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka. Mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma engineering system. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper.
Thaburi 122 ni ndakenire riria manjerire atiri nituthie nyumba-ini ya Jehova. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambiriria thaa 3 cia rucini, nyitanagira na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tugikurehera igongona ria kiumia kuma kanitha-ini wa Jesus Wina Ministry Roysambu Nairobi. Nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai, mahoya,
tunaomba upako wako na neema yako mahali hapa Bwana. Yesu mwana wa Mungu, tunakuja kinyume na kila kazi ya shetani.
Kiugo kia Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Wacha nikuambie, hapa kuna agano. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. Na nimesema leo, yule yote ameingia leo, yule ameingia mwaka huu. Mwaka huu kuna utukufu mpya, kuna nguvu mpya, kuna upako mpya.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ ceceni-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. If this is your confidence, I want you to dance like you never danced.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Twacokereria oro ringi andu naria marareganaga na faini cia hau ni mahimbirie uge wa NTSA wa kurugamia watho ucio makiuga ona thengia wa macio maugite acira wa NTSA uri igoti-ini kuringana na maugite watho ucio ni ukurehe ungumania munene sekta-ini ya ukui.
Now, on the 12th of March this year, Honorable Justice Bahati Mwamuye gave conservatory orders in our petition, that is Sharia Mtaani na Shadrack Wamboi versus NTSA and others, stopping the implementation of the instant fines management system that had been announced by the NTSA. Now, we need to understand that the giving of these conservatory orders was as a result of the persuasive arguments that we raised in the petition and the instant application that we had filed before the court. Now, over time, NTSA seems to have gone back to the drawing board, and they have today issued a notice suspending the implementation of that instant fines management system. And they have cited that they want the public to understand the implementation and the details of that system so that the public are not misled. And also, they want to align that system with Section 117 of the Traffic Act. Now, unfortunately, 117 of the Traffic Act is a vast act because over and above giving the Cabinet Secretary and the police service the powers to conduct investigations and issue fines, they seem to have forgotten that that is the preserve of those two institutions.
The question that is there, the criminal justice system starts with the police, it goes to the DPP, it goes to judiciary. That is the only system known in this country. Nowhere does NTSA have investigatory powers, nowhere does it have prosecutorial powers, nowhere does it have judicial powers. We assure the citizens that we will defend this matter to its last conclusion, because any act of illegality, citizens of this country have confidence with Sharia Mtaani, and we shall defend the citizens of this country until we get justice for everybody.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry ya urimi Jonathan Rono akiugite kaunti ya Baringo ni kuheo uthio mweru na igweta aria gutwika kaunti iri na kaunti iria igukurikana makiria hari urimi wa macani. Rono ugite tiri ni muthime na wonanitie mwena wa Torongo na Mwachon ni kuo kwega gwa gukuria macani.
And you can also grow medicinal plants. So we have a display of medicinal plants.
Tutafurahia kama tukipata miche kama milioni 8 ya chai kwetu kule Mwachon, Torongo, sehemu hiyo, na tunataka kubadilisha forest yetu, boundaries ya forest yetu ikue Nyayo T zones. najua kuna mkubwa ya Nyayo Tea Zones hapa, MD wa Nyayo Tea Zones. Tukitaka kukuza chai hapa, tutaweza kubadilisha sehemu hii ya Fibertech mpaka Chemususu, mpaka na Russia, mpaka hata kule upande ya Tenges na upande ya Katimok. Tupate sehemu kidogo ya boundary ya kuchunga forest, ili watu wasiingilie forest. Wakitaka kuingia forest wanachuna chai, ndio tupate utajiri katika sehemu hii.
Uchunguzi imefanywa, soil testing imefanywa, KDDA na T-Board wamefanya uchunguzi na wameona ya kwamba Baringo County is also another good fit county for tea, specifically purple tea. We are therefore declaring Baringo County today to be the 23rd tea growing county with 3 factories of volume of 30 million kilos to be started with purple tea in Torongo. Na siku ya leo tumelete seedlings na utafanya kazi na Nyayo Tea Zone, vile T-Board of Kenya na KDDA kuhakikisha hiyo mpango imefanywa.
Baringo to be the 22nd county in the Republic of Kenya to be a tea producing county. And we will work as farmers, as people from this region to support you and really ensure we make our contribution. We are also happy that Baringo for many years has been a coffee producer, and the governor here has made it very clear. We have a clear target. Now every year we want to see 2 million seedlings planted in Baringo County. We want to see 8 million tea seedlings planted every year. We want to see at least 1 million macadamia plants done, 1 million cotton. And also, we don't want to leave the other lower sides of Baringo.
Naho nĩho tũratihĩra mohoro maitũ ma Kiheo Kabiru Wikendi. Ngatho nĩ ũnyitanĩri waku gũtwĩhokera mathaa maku na gũtũtegera matũ, na ningĩ nĩ ngatho kũrĩ arĩa matigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ maũkinya na njĩra igwete metha-inĩ ya ũtaũri na njĩra ciĩko tuma na Sharon mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ. Njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru, haraika mwena Ngai marokũgitĩra ũtukũ wa ũmũthĩ ũrokũmata kana nĩ ngwendete, na onake Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria.